I'm Narinder from Chandigarh. I'm showing you right now the car air conditioner system. I have two cars. One is Marazzo and another is Honda City. I'm showing you the complete air conditioning system of car air conditioner right now. Please come with me, see the complete video and like it, share it and subscribe it. Also, please come. I'm giving you the complete detail of car. This is a Honda City car and having a complete air conditioning system in it, which compressor is this installed at lower side and condenser is this here. The compressor starts through belts with the help of engine. Its discharge is this, gas is inside, discharge is this, it enters in the condenser and going out through this liquid line. From here, this liquid line is going here and enters into the cooling coil inside the car and return after completing the circuit from here in. This is called as suction line and comes here. This line is a suction line and directly goes to the compressor. The circuit is complete. This fan, condenser fan is here and the blower fan is inside. Its ignition is there. Now I am going to start this car and showing you the temperature of this car. I am sitting in the car and start the air conditioner. The temperature is outside near about 30 degrees centigrade. Its temperature is outside 30 degrees centigrade as well as car is same 30 degrees centigrade. The car air conditioner is on. Its blower is at 2 number or 2 number and selector switch is cooling switch is at full range and this AC switch is on right now. Car AC is fully on. Now I am showing you the temperature of this air conditioner. This is a grill of the air conditioner of car and I am showing you the grill temperature of this car. Grill temperature of this car is at present 18.5 degrees centigrade, 70.8 degrees centigrade. I am waiting half a minute and then show you the temperature of another car. It seems its temperature is not up to the mark due to less gas or some other reasons. So temperature is not going below 20.3 degrees centigrade of grill and outside is much more. Car temperature is near about, you can see 24-25 degrees centigrade. Now I am showing you the temperature of this car, also working of this car. I had started the car. You see the function of and noise of this is V-belt which is working car air conditioner. Now I am showing you the inside of temperature. this is a Honda car, and this is a Honda car, and temperature is same outside, sir, temperature is same. Now I start the air conditioner. This is the air conditioner switch, this is a off mode, and this is a on mode. Green light is on. The temperature is at least, minimum, and blower is at 3. Now I am showing you the grill temperature. I put this at here, and it will show you the difference. The grill temperature is within 1 minute going to 13 degrees centigrade. The grill temperature is right now 9.9 degrees centigrade, even below. It going even below. It the grill temperature is near about 7.4 degrees centigrade. So its working is okay. Maybe within 5 minutes is it going to 3 degree or 4 degrees centigrade. Its temperature is okay, its working is okay. I'm showing you the complete car air conditioner temperature of the temperature is near about 6. Once you look the again car air conditioner, it's working. And you see the temperature outside. Increasing. It is a complete working system of car air conditioning system, which I am showing you right now. Please like the video, see the video, and share it. Thank you very much. I'm giving you another details on another videos of air conditioning